Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I have another virtual card tutorial for you guys. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end because I have a bonus for you at the end. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First things first, you need to go onto your App Store or Play Store and download Digital Purse. Digital Purse is a software that we are going to use to get our virtual card for this video. Download it onto your phone and install it. After you are done installing this app on your phone, open it up, allow notifications, slide the button at the bottom, and on the welcome page, you'll be asked to enter your code for authentication. Since we are new users and we do not have a code, let's go ahead and create one. Now that we have our code, make sure you copy and paste it somewhere safe because you need it later if you want to log back into the app. After doing that, head back to the app and click on continue. Now we'll be redirected back to the dashboard of the Digital Purse app. On the dashboard, we are going to purchase a card. Select that option and choose the type of card you want, whether virtual or gift card. For the purpose of this video, we're going to go with a virtual card. If you want me to do a video on how to get a gift card, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. So select virtual card, select a reason or purpose for the card you are creating. Well, obviously my reason is for YouTube video, but since they don't have that option, we just go with others. Now you need to select a payment method. They are crypto, bank transfer for Nigerians, and mobile money. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll go with crypto. But if you want to go with the other options, please feel free to do so. Also, if you want me to do a video on how to use the mobile money option, please let me know that in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to do that for you also. So we'll go with crypto. On this page, we are getting a bunch of options to choose from, but we'll go with USDT because it says it has lower fee charges. Now enter the amount that you want on the card. This is very important because this type of card allows you to fund it just once. So make sure to think about the amount you want to create and enter that amount. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'm just going to go with the cheapest amount, which is just $6. Click on continue. Now it's time to create our card info. Over here, you can use any name you want. It could be your real name or it could be a fake name. Enter that name. If you have an address in mind you would like to use, go ahead and enter that. But if you do not, you can skip it and an address will be automatically generated for you. I'll show you the address that was generated for me as we progress in the video. Go ahead and select your country as well. Now you can choose any country you want, whether it's Ghana, USA, Nigeria, any part in the world at all you feel like you want to create a card for, go ahead and select that country. Okay, now after doing that, we need to make payment, or in other words, we need to fund the card with the amount that we indicated earlier. So I indicated $6. I indicated 6 USDT. So I need to top up the card with that amount. But if you read the details on your screen, it says I need to send 9 USDT because they are charging me 3 USDT extra. Go ahead and copy this wallet address. Head on over to where you have your crypto stored, your wallet. I use Binance, so we're going to head over to Binance. And in my Binance, I'm going to go to wallet and I'm going to withdraw this exact amount and send to this address to make payment. Now, if you have experience using Binance, you need to know that Binance also charges a fee. So when you are sending there, make sure to be very well calculated and send the exact amount. Because if you make a lesser payment, your card will not be issued and you will also not get a refund for your cryptocurrency. So make sure to go through and take your time when you're making the payment. Check all the details. So when I made the payment and I was waiting for it to be processed, I got a notification from Digital Purse that they have received my payment for my order. So I went ahead and clicked on that notification and it took me back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, it clearly says payment confirmed, as you can see over there. Now that we have made payment, we can wait patiently for our card to be issued with our details and we can move on to the next step of this video.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for an hour, I got a notification that my card is ready. So let's check it out. On the app's dashboard, you can see that my card has been created successfully and it's even showing me the last 4 digits of my card. In order to view the card, click on the view my cards option. It will take you to a different page where you can view your card details and all other information related to this card. Over here on this page, click on card details and you'll be able to view all the information about the card, from your name, the address that was generated automatically for you if you choose to skip that option, the country, and every other necessary information. So over here, as you can see, the address that was generated for me is Kumasi and the street address and the other information is also over there. Okay, so now that our card is ready, I need to show you how you can manage the funds on your card. So let's say you decided to create your card with a higher balance and and you've done a few transactions and you want to know how much money is left on your card, that's very easy. On the Digital Purse app, I want you to click on the button called Manage. That button will redirect you to your web browser and open this web page for you. Now, if you're having issues connecting to this web page, please make sure to use a VPN. If you don't experience any issues and everything is smooth, just continue, wait for the page to load. Now, we need to get a verification code before we can access our transaction history. So go ahead and select the second option and wait for the OTP to be sent to you on the Digital Purse app. When you receive the OTP, go ahead and enter it in the space provided and click on Verify. Okay, so this will open the prepaid center. So over here, you can keep track of every transaction you have ever made using this card and view your balance left on the card. You can also scroll down to the very bottom and see the list of merchants that accept this card. Currently, this card is supported by 87 merchants and they are all listed below, so make sure to check them out. Now that we've been able to create our card and we've been able to fund it, now it's time for the bonus that I spoke about in the beginning.
Finally!
This card from Digital Purse can be added to your Apple Wallet. Before we do that, I want you to check out this previous video on how to activate your Apple Wallet here in Ghana. Because if your Apple Wallet is not activated, you cannot add this card to your Apple Wallet. So go and check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description below or up here somewhere. Check it out, activate your Apple Wallet, come back, take your card details, and watch this tutorial on how to add your card to your Apple Wallet. Okay, so let me open my Apple Wallet for you guys to see. So I've already added the card into my Apple Wallet from Digital Purse, and this is how it looks like in my Apple Wallet. Now let me show you how to also add yours. Click on the plus icon at the top. Enter your name, enter your card number, enter your security code, enter the date on the card, click add. Now it will take a minute because Apple Wallet needs to communicate with the card issuer for them to know that the card is supported by Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. And there you have it. It will be a smooth thing, and within a few minutes your card will be successfully uploaded to your Apple Wallet and your Apple Pay will be activated and you can use it to shop. So if you found this video useful, please let me know in the comment section. Share to others so that they can also enjoy the services that comes with Digital Purse and Apple Wallet. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace.